Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to log in to Shahid VIP. So first, open your web browser and go to shahid.mbc.net. Alternatively, you can search for Shahid on Google and click the first link. If needed, change the website language by clicking the language option at the top right corner. You can either choose Arabic, English, or French. On the home page, click Sign In at the top right corner. Ensure you have a Shahid VIP subscription as this tutorial focuses on VIP accounts. On the Sign In page, you can log in using your email or mobile number along with your password. Alternatively, you can sign in using Google, Apple, or Facebook accounts. For users with landline numbers, there's also an option to log in using that. Once you fill all that, click the Sign In button. If you don't already have an account, click the Sign Up button at the bottom to create one. And basically that's it.